Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to unlock a layer in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with logging into our account. So in the upper right corner we have the login option that we can use, or if you do not want to or if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one by clicking the create button, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead guys and see how to unlock our layer. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here. That's going to open up this new menu where we can go ahead and get started opening up the image that we want to use for editing and where our layers are going to be. So I have my image already right here. As you can see, it's going to open it up in edit mode, and our layers options are right here at the right side of the screen. If you cannot see your layers, then you can minimize them. You just want to click this arrow to maximize them, and now you'll be able to see the layer menu. So let's go and see how to unlock our layers. Basically guys, if your layer is locked and you cannot move it, edit it, and so on, all you need to do is just click the three dots right here on the layer. Let's say layer settings, and as you can see now, our layer is locked, so you want to unlock it and so on. If you want it locked, you can turn it back on and so on, and that is how to unlock your layer. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.